Hi, I'm Jim Bollinger.
And I'm Michelle.
And together we live on the western side of Central Florida on a small farm here. And we raise three amazing young boys and run the DoRite Fabrication YouTube channel.
My name is Bo Bollinger, and I'm the oldest of the three boys.
My name is Rick Bollinger, and I'm the middle child of the three boys.
My name is Stacy. I'm the baby. I'm pretty. I can't do it, Dad.
Oh. I know. The name of our pig is Pig Pig.
And Pig.
What's the turkey's name?
Turkey.
I think the number one thing about Florida people should know is it's hot, but it's a very good place to go swimming.
My favorite part of living in Florida is it's very hot, so I can go in my pool.
Are you afraid of alligators?
I'm not afraid of alligators. I fall in a pond and alligators start to eat me and I get way out. And I got right out to the pond and like this bigger, I would fall down to it.
I'm not afraid of the alligators.
Who's Daddy's biggest helper?
Me.
You are?
I own the world. If you.
In the world?
How if you?
Who's Daddy's biggest mess maker?
Me.
My favorite thing about my dad is everything. He is the my dad is the coolest dad in the world.
I like Arby's.
Arby's?
It's got the pizza sandwich, real more like that. It's kind of spicy. You eat the cheese one, it's very yummy. You eat John Deere's.
Who's your favorite person? Who's your favorite person?
Me.
Oh, you're your favorite person? Well, at least you're honest.
My favorite one at Disney World is I have no idea. I have no idea what those are. I haven't been to Disney in like 16 months. Years. And I'm 16 years old.
Who do you like better, Daddy or Mommy?
Mommy.
Oh, really? You're thinking about that right now, aren't you? Like, oops.
Wait for another one.